I couldn't be more proud of our team and their ability to adapt as we went through this renovation. It's been a long process, no doubt about it, but a very exciting process. This is going to be a huge leap forward to better respond to our customers' needs.
If you can imagine a storm rolling across the Duquesne Light service territory, we used to have to look through all of the different SCADA alarms, and then one of the individuals would have to go up to the map board. You know, that could take 15 minutes just for us to have an idea.
We're going to start seeing those things happen in real time and get a better pulse of the impact of whatever a particular storm event might be.
We're going to be able to point the people that do the work, the hard work of getting the customers back into service, into the right places quicker than we have in the past.
Historically, the Pittsburgh region has been on the forefront for electricity upgrades. With Westinghouse, there's a lot of legacy here. Duquesne Light is, we're a part of that legacy.
We'll always remember what we had, the tool that worked great and worked for as long as I can remember, but also acknowledging that this is transformative for Duquesne Light.